What's up, KitKat squad? And I've noticed that slime is kind of coming back, and also I've not filmed a proper video in forever. So yeah, we're making slime, and we're going off this recipe I found on YouTube, hand soap slime. It is from this YouTuber called Slime DIY. Okay, and we're gonna try that. So first, you need a bowl. It says you need water, you need hand soap, so what do you need to do first? I'm just skip through me looking at it. Okay, first thing we need is hand soap. So we're just gonna put some in here. Oh dang it, that's a lot, but we're gonna need a lot. Next is water, so here we have some water. We're just going to pour some in. I'm going to see how much they pour in. Okay, then mix it together. I have a spoon right here. Just going to mix it. Kind of feels weird. It's like I just turned it into liquid again. I'm probably gonna... Oh my gosh, my face is cut off in this. Why is my hair so bad? Okay, so I'm just gonna mix it. Next ingredient. Baking soda. I do not know how much she puts in, so I'm probably going to make a big fat mess. Get out. Just gonna see how much she puts in. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's working! Oh my gosh, I'm actually so happy. Excuse my concentrated face, I know it's very ugly, but this is actually working, so I'm happy. Okay, I think she put way more in, so I'm gonna do that. Just mix it until it gets thicker. No way, this actually freaking works. I'm happy. I'm just gonna mix it harder since that's what she did. Okay. Just put a bit, put a lot more in. But we want it to activate, don't we? Oh my goodness. Y'all should test this out, it works. Or did I just put too much in? Y'all, I'm stupid. I just put way too much in, so we're just gonna have to restart. Sorry for the inconvenience. I'm wasting my mom's hand soap, so this better get a fair amount of likes. Just gonna try it without the water so that, you know, it becomes better and thicker. I'm just gonna put a little bit more water in it since it needs water. time it's not working. So, like, this time I had way more water in it. I'm just gonna add a bit more water. And hopefully it turns into a slime or something. But right now it's just liquid. And it's gross, so. I feel like it's not gonna work, but this thing better not be like, because I'm wasting hand soap for this. I'm honestly gonna be so mad if this fails because my mom bought the wrong glue and I was supposed to make slime today, and then she bought the wrong glue, so like, yeah. How do you think this is? I honestly don't know if this is working. How is she mixing this together when this is like... I'm having a really fun time, you know. Her slime looks so amazing. Meanwhile, I just have hand soap. I don't know if I should do it as a fail yet. I freaking hate YouTubers who are always clickbaiting. Like, honestly, it's so annoying. I just want some good slime. Okay, so this is the refrigerator. I'm just gonna freeze it and see if it does anything. So we'll like come back in 5 minutes, even though it's gonna be a second for you. Okay, so we're just pulling the slime out of the fridge. Seeing if it even worked. Okay. Okay, this is definitely slime. Okay, it's very weird feeling though. But yeah, this definitely is slime, like literally. But it's very jiggly, and it's currently, as we speak, my hand is going freaking hypothermic. This is very cold. But I guess it worked. That's so cold. It's so cold that I want to touch it more. I'm odd like that. Okay, now it's really freaking cold. My hand. Okay, so time to close out this video. Live, love, laugh, watch, cringe. Whatever suits you best. Oh my gosh, look at the background. Focus. It won't focus. Bye. Turn off, would you?